Welcome to the Framery headquarters. Let's explore Framery Gradus Huddle, our smart and soundproof 4-person huddle pod that's part of our newest line of office pods, Framery Gradus. Rooted in our philosophy of quiet design, Gradus Huddle is everything a meeting pod should be. It offers a spacious, energizing, and distraction-free environment for the users, wrapped in an intentionally minimalist silhouette that elegantly aligns with your office architecture. Framery Gradus Huddle is a fully private meeting space that's purpose-designed for team brainstorming, collaboration sessions, and virtual meetings from the office, with face-to-face seating and an easy-to-enter layout that lets users step in, connect, and get things done without disrupting the surrounding office work. Gradus Huddle creates a private, comfortable, and optimized environment for group collaboration and focused tasks. With a 30 decibel speech level reduction, multiple 4000K light sources, and the option to include translucent privacy films, making it the ultimate space to meet. Let's take a closer look at Framery Gradus Huddle. Designed from the inside out, Gradus Huddle has a comfortable, spacious interior optimized for in-person collaboration, hybrid meetings, and casual conversations. A large, full-sized working table with tapered edges ensures easy access while giving plenty of space for your team to work comfortably. Ergonomic sofas provide support for long meetings, and conveniently located power outlets and USB-C PD charging ports keep all of your devices up and running. An optional monitor mount adds even further functionality to Gradus Huddle. The interior environment of Gradus Huddle has been purposefully curated to keep you feeling fresh and focused during meetings and brainstorming sessions. Multiple adjustable 4000K light sources combine to create the ideal lighting for any task, illuminating the interior working area and casting a gentle glow on the users that keeps them looking their best during video calls. And with 2 preset lighting modes to choose from, you can easily change and adjust the atmosphere to suit your needs as you change between tasks. An adaptive ventilation system delivers a powerful maximum airflow that keeps users cool and focused during longer meetings. And a high-speed refresh cycle kicks in the moment a user steps out of the pod to provide new, fully fresh air for the next occupant. Everything is controlled from an intuitive 8-inch touchscreen panel, making it simple to adjust lighting, ventilation, and calendar reservations directly from the pod. There are countless ways to customize Framery Gradus Huddle to perfectly match your office aesthetic. Powder-coated steel panels are available in a wide range of color options, featuring a specialized ultra-matte finish that beautifully softens the exterior to bring a sophisticated, high-end feel to the office. A stunning line of wooden and fabric exterior deco panels quickly snap into place, letting you add additional warmth and texture to the workplace. And a fully customizable fabric panel option gives you limitless opportunities within your office design. All interior panels, carpets, and furniture come in a wide range of colors and finishes and are made from durable, high-quality materials that stand the test of time. Like all Gradus pods, Huddle is fully compatible with the entire suite of Framery Smart Office solutions, making it as smart as it is beautiful. Advanced sensors in the pod automatically detect when someone enters or leaves, updating the status in real time and sharing anonymous occupancy data and insights that help the workplace adapt and improve over time with complete user privacy. You can also unlock advanced booking features like Framery Room Display, which easily mounts outside of Gradus Huddle, letting you check availability and make advanced bookings directly on site. A perfectly sealed construction of industrial-grade steel, combined with a soft porous core and heavy acoustic glass, targets and reduces human speech frequencies, allowing the pod to be placed directly in open workstations without compromising privacy. Gradus Huddle is a permanent workplace investment, engineered to last for decades and developed to combat the waste of temporary office furniture that eventually ends up in a landfill. The fully modular design means that every component is easily replaceable, and an optional movability kit allows you to quickly relocate the entire pod without disassembly. So Gradus Huddle can be repaired, refurbished, and adjusted indefinitely. Gradus Huddle is just one of the newest pods from Framery that represent the next step in American office design. And with production of all Gradus pods localized to Michigan, we are able to fully support the demands of the North American market, help navigate local compliance standards, and guarantee the quick ship reliability needed to update and modernize your office. Visit Framery.com to learn more about Framery Gradus Huddle, or to find a local showroom near you where you can experience the entire line of Framery Gradus pods for yourself.